Hi Joyce, I'm going to give you some feedback about your paragraph. So the first thing I'd like to say is when we correct a paragraph, we look at holistically and then we look at the details. So I would say holistically, your topic sentence is strong. I understand the main idea. The sentences are well connected to the topic sentence. You have used transitions well, and you have a concluding sentence that connects to your topic sentence. So I would say holistically, you achieved the task. Okay, so 4 out of 4 for that part. The second part is when we look at the paragraph in more detail. So I would say your grammar is overall it's quite good, and I'll just show you a few mistakes. And I like this part. There are three reasons why Peter's Pizzana is the best fast food restaurant in town, and then you give 3 reasons, and then summarize. So that's a good strong organization. Um, so let's look at some vocabulary, spelling, and wrong word choice, and maybe one grammar mistake. Okay, first, comma, the food is savory. For example, Peter's Pazana is not, okay, I'm not sure why you're using, here, if you're going to use more oily, I think we use more for comparisons. Here we're not making a comparison. So you could take that out. You could say it's is not oily. Okay, and then you're using a eat up, a phrasal verb. I think you've got the meaning wrong. So the word choice here doesn't work. So instead, I would say is not oily and isn't greasy. And maybe you could explain to me what you think the meaning of this is in class. Okay. In addition, comma, the Pepsi is free, period. Okay. Second, comma, the service is fast and cheerful. For instance, and I like this, you're giving me an example. For instance, the service is fast within 10 minutes. You might want to finish that sentence. Within 10 minutes, you get your food, period. Moreover, the staff is friendly and eager. You might want to give an example, another example, just a little more detail would be good. Third, the Pizzana's price is at discount. For example, spelling here, customers, spelling, can get one free offer when they buy one pepperoni. Pepperoni what? I think you need pizza there. In brief, spelling, comma, Peter's Pizzana is the best fast food in town. Overall, I would say you achieved it. It's clear. But for next time, I want you to work on those things that I mentioned. I'd like you to write this again on paper and bring it to class on Saturday. Okay, Joyce? Thank you so much, and thank you for those chocolates.